Now here for close round 12, after the last cable stitch, make last 2 chain, 1 2. Now slip stitch top of first front post double crochet here, round 12 finish. Okay, round 13 I just fix this 2 here. Okay, chain 1 just for a start, skip the first front post double crochet, around next make a front post double crochet. Now chain 1, another front post double crochet around the first front post double crochet here. Here it's a small cable stitch here. Now 2 chain, 1 2, skip first popcorn here, and around first double crochet make 5 front post double crochet popcorn. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now a popcorn here. Two chain, 1 2, a front post double crochet around the next popcorn here. Around this popcorn I have to make a front post double crochet, then 2 chain, 1 2, 5 front post double crochet popcorn around this double crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now a popcorn here. Two chain, 1 2, here a front post double crochet around next popcorn here, 2 chain, 1 2, then another popcorn around next double crochet, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now a popcorn here, two chain, 1 2, a front post double crochet around next popcorn, 2 chain, 1 2, another popcorn around next double crochet, so one front post double crochet, 2 3 4 and 5. Now a popcorn here, now 2 chain, 1 2, a front post double crochet around next popcorn, 2 chain, 1, 2, 5 front post double crochet popcorn around next, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a popcorn here, 2 chain, 1, 2, around next popcorn, make a front post double crochet, 2 chain, 1, 2, 5 front post double crochet around next double crochet, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a popcorn, skip the last popcorn here, make 2 chain, 1, 2, then here skip first front post double crochet, around next make a front post double crochet, chain 1, a front post double crochet around this front post double crochet here, and here I made 6 popcorn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now here make 2 chain, 1, 2, here we got 8 front post double crochet cable stitch. I have to work around this 4 first. Here I got 4 front post double crochet, now here after these popcorns and this small cable stitch, make 2 chain, 1, 2, here I got 8 front post double crochet, skip first this 4 and start from the 5 front post double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Around this I start to make front post double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now here I have to work around this 4 here to make cable stitch. Okay, find them carefully. Here I got 4 front post double crochet I skipped. Okay, I start from the first front post double crochet here, 1, around the second one, 2, around the next 3, and the other one around next 4. Totally 8 front post double crochet here and make this cable stitch. Now 2 chain, 1, 2, and repeat the pattern. Here skip first front post double crochet, around the next make a front post double crochet, chain 1, a front post double crochet around this front post double crochet, 2 chain, here skip first popcorn, around the first double crochet, make 5 front post double crochet popcorn. Okay, I want to repeat the pattern. 5 front post double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now a popcorn here, 2 chain, a front post double crochet around this popcorn, 2 chain, 1, 2, another popcorn here. Okay, I come back here. Okay, now here after 6 popcorn and 5 double crochet between them, skip the last popcorn here, make 2 chain, 1, 2, now here skip first front post double crochet, around the second one make a front post double crochet, chain 1, now a front post double crochet around this front post double crochet I skipped, two chain, 1, 2, now here cable stitch. I got 8 front post double crochet. If you count it here like this, make it open like this, here 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 here. Okay, skip first 4 front post double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, around the 5th start front post double crochet, 1, another front post double crochet around next, another front post double crochet around next, another front post double crochet around next. So here 4 front post double crochet. Now I have to make 4 front post double crochet here around this 4 I skipped. So yarn over, find each front post double crochet carefully. Okay, from the first one, 1 front post double crochet, another front post double crochet around the second one. Okay, let me show you from here. Okay, around the second one make a front post double crochet, another front post double crochet around next, and another front post double crochet around next. Totally 8 front post double crochet here, 2 chain, 1 2. Now here skip first front post double crochet. Now here skip first one, around the next, make a front post double crochet, chain 1, a front post double crochet around the first front post double crochet here, then 2 chain, 1 2. Okay, here it's like this, and here it's like this. That's a cable stitch. Yeah, I know it's a little heavy here.